Hello my friends and welcome to my studio, Open Studio D. I'm Vlad Milan Duchev, and today is an interesting subject. We will be talking about new model of palette or easel coming from ArtPro Easel. We come up with two names and we make a decision. So I'm gonna probably post on YouTube like a vote, whatever you think is more appropriate. So one name is ProPad and another name is Clean Pad. The pad comes from simplicity. It's like an iPad. It's just flat thing. There is no, flipping, nothing. It's just a board. That's why you call it pad. So the Pro Pad, the Pro comes from input from a lot of professional artists. They ask us to do something very simple, practical, and economical. So it's much less expensive than ArtPro Easel. And they gave us information what they want on this pad, on this palette, basically. And this is just simple palette. And that's the reason why we call it Pro Pad. So actually, let's talk about the palette itself. It is made from birch plywood, Baltic birch plywood. I'm not sure, it's probably from Baltics. But we're buying it locally, so I'm not sure if it's coming actually from, from Baltic. But it's called Baltic birch plywood. Very strong materials. It's not bended. It's like how many layers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers of plywoods. So it's very, very sturdy, and it's not going to bend. It's not going to, anything that's going to happen to this, like, naturally. So it is just a piece of, to be honest, just a piece of plywood with a lot of small options. The first option is, of course, the hooks. And by the way, these are the new hooks, and they're much smaller. So if you use these new hooks, and you can actually purchase those new hooks from our website, and these hooks you can use on your ArtPro Easel, update your or upgrade your ArtPro Easel, and with using these hooks, your easel or your pad or your palette is going to have only about 5 to 10 degree till. The old ones, it's like mostly like 30 to 40 degree till. So these are much smaller and will keep you keep your palette close to 90 degree. It's only 10 degree till from 90. All right, so same idea. They are moving back and forth. So if you want to put it a little bit higher or lower, then you just, if you higher, you just move this hooks to close right here, close to the and I have a tripod right here, so you can just put it like this, and as you can see, it is only about, it's only about maybe 6 degree till, and it's close. It's really high, right here, so you can see it. Now if you want to move it down, if you're sitting and painting using chair, you can just move the arms or hooks to the end or adjust whatever you want, and voila, it will be going down completely. I can get it right here if you need it. All right, so let's talk about the actual hooks. So the hooks comes with the stoppers on the back, so they're not really going back. They will stop, and that will give you really good support. Make sure they're not swinging. And they folding, again, they folding back. So you can, if you using bag, you want to put it in the backpack, you can turn it and they folding, and it's very compact. So that's one thing. That it's, of course, has a handle. And a lot of people asking us, well, look, why are you doing this handle? Well, it's actually convenient, very convenient to hold when you're walking from a car. You want to hold it not in the back, and it's just convenient thing. That's about the hooks. Then we have brush holders on the left side, and the same brush holders, holes for the brushes on the right side, on your left, my right. So basically, you can use it if you're a left-handed painter or you are right-handed painter. It really doesn't matter, because everything that is on one side replicated on symmetrically on the left side. So we have brushes, then we have two magnets, one on the left side, one on the right side. So you can use it as a cup holder or a palette, stick it in a palette, and then two holes on both sides, right here and right here. Now you can use it as a brush, another additional brush holder for the big brushes, or you can hang your, if you have a hook for your turp brush cleaner, bungee cord. Put it right here, put the paper towel, and put a hook right here, and I'll show you later on what you can do. All right, and that's all. That's all to it. That's why it's called pad, because it's very simple, very practical, because it's very easy to set up, very easy to work with. Yes, it comes only right now on the natural wood. We were thinking about putting maybe vinyl or even aluminum, but it's adding the weight and it's adding actually price. Right now, this is going for only I think it's $120, $124 on our website. So how to set up? It's very easy. You just untie the nuts, move hooks, whatever distance you want them to be, and that's it. Put it on your tripod, ready to use. Now, this ProPad, let's call it ProPad, ProPad or clean pad. I don't know how to call it, ProPad or clean pad. Let's vote for it. I call it ProPad. So the ProPad comes with in three sizes. This is a medium size, about 17, I think it's 17 inches. And then it will have large, which will be probably 4 inches in addition, or 2 inches on both sides. And then smaller, that will be 2 inches smaller. For if you want like a little bit smaller, and will be of course less expensive. Knockout probably another $20. And also, what is interesting, I don't have it with me right now, but ProPad will come with acrylic set. An acrylic set will have a big hole right here for adjustable or collapsible cup. And we're thinking about putting a vinyl insert right here, so you can use an acrylic. Now, for gouache painters or aqua, watercolor painters, this is ideal, because this is exactly what you can use. You can use it as a table. You can put you can actually put your cups of water here. Your palette. You holding a palette anyway in your hand, and pencils, whatever you need, sponge, whatever you need. Also, I forgot to mention. And some people like it, and some people actually requested it. Make sure it's flat on both sides. So if you're oil painter and you paint on this side, but you need to sketch, all you have to do just flip it. And this is the back. It's a flat with just the logo right here. So you can flip it and put it in you can actually put it on your lap, or you can put it on your tripod and use it as a sketch table, basically. That's the other side. And use it as your sketch table. Put your, paper and sketch it whatever you want to paint. And then when you're ready, you just, flip it and start painting on your palette. And every time you will use, it has several coats of teak oil. Every time you use it, this is brand new, but I will start using it today. And every time you use it, and it will become like a real palette. That's why we decided not to go with vinyl, just go with wood, because it's traditional, kind of thing to do, paint on a wooden palette. Classic, retro classic. All right, so this is how you set it up. Basically, it comes with folded hooks or arms. So basically what you need to do is untie it, move it to as close as possible if you want to, on a higher position, and then put it on your tripod. And that's it. That's ready to rock and roll. So you can use the brushes. You can put, several brushes like this, like this. If you have even smaller brushes, it's designed for simplicity. So you can use not many brushes, like maybe 3 or 4 brushes. That's it. The palette knife is, you can go right here on this magnet, or actually some people recommend, so we can use actually this hole right here or right here and just drop it right there like this, and you can pull it if you need it. So you just drop it like this and it's secure, it's not going anywhere. All right, and then if you want to use a cup, make sure the cup doesn't have the clip. And actually we're thinking about maybe making like a curve with a smaller plywood so you can actually slide it. But right now it's boom, it's done. It's not going anywhere. All right. So you have your turp, you have your brushes, you can squeeze paint right here. This is whole thing that you can use, big palette to use. And those 2 holes right here and here, you can use a strap like this or smaller. And you can hang your paper towel. And how to do it is very simple. I normally don't do it from top. I'm going actually from the bottom to hook, and then slide your paper towel inside like this, and from the bottom again. And here we go. Here's your paper towel hanging right here. And you have your brushes, you have your turp, you have your palette, and you have your paper towel right here hanging. And for the brush washer, you can use definitely, if your brush is on this side, you can put your brush cleaner container or brush washer on this side using this hole. Just hang it with a hook on this side. That's it. And as I said, you can, how to disassemble it. Just remove paper towel, move up your brushes, your cup, your palette knife. Clean your palette. The reason why you need to clean it, because if you leave the paint on this, it will be really hard to scrape it. You can scrape it. It's like a wooden palette, regular wooden palette, but it will be really hard to scrape it. So I always recommend when you finish, take a Gimsol or oil and just wipe it and wipe it clean. And every time you're using it, you're building that layer, solid layer. And then fold it. And this is ready to be put in a bag for the next painting. And you have it. So very simple to use, very ergonomic, twice less expensive than ArtPro Easel. Yes, it doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but I think this is the beauty of it, because it doesn't have. It's just very simple, very professional, and straightforward. And as I mentioned, we will have several options, several sizes, actually 3 sizes, small, medium, and large for this. And also we'll have aqua pad for acrylic or watercolor paint or gouache painters. All right, so this is all for today. I'm glad to introduce this ProPad. It will be available, I think it's as of today. You can go on the website and you will see this product, and you can purchase it. And another big announcement for the users who already purchased ArtPro Easel, who are using ArtPro Easel. When you purchase your easel, I'm sorry, but if you purchase only easel or whole set, not just upright holder, you need to purchase the easel. If you purchase the easel, if you want to upgrade, you become our family, the ArtPro Easel family member, and you will get a lifetime 10% discount on anything you purchase after that. So what we will do, we will actually next week, we're sending emails to all our users with a code. It's a 10% discount code. It's called ArtPro Easel Family Membership. So if you purchase at least once with us, you will become a member and you'll get that message and that discount. Anytime you want to upgrade, you will get a code for discount of 10% lifetime. All right. If you're a member, ArtPro Easel member, you'll get that 10% discount. So that's a great announcement, and that's great coming from ArtPro Easel. And all you have to do is just clean it and put it in your bag or put it in the trunk, in the car, in the trunk, and you have it. It's just really fast. You want to paint something, all you have to do is just pull this with upholder and just, you know, open these hooks, drop it, ready to rock and roll. What can be more easier than that? I mean, unbelievable, right? I'm excited about this. All right, that will be all for today. Go on our website, artproeasel.com, and definitely purchase this. If you want to wait until you get the discounted code, wait. This email is going, I think, today or tomorrow. I think it's today, with the discounted code for members. And that's it. You can have it. That's all for today. Let me know what you think. What do you think about Pro Pad or Clean Pad? I like Pro Pad and Aqua Pad. Aqua Pad 100%. This will be Pro Pad. All right. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to click like, click the bell. I'm waiting. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.